Finish it. Oh, finish it.
For the fans.
We haven't done that since.
Tell me what I gotta do. And I'll do it. Listen. That's dumb, dude.